Hey guys, welcome to another product unboxing review. Here I got this KEENSTAR handheld garment steamer. So let's gonna open the package. Look, it comes with the main product. Here the steamer. It's a color white. It's a beautiful color. I like it a lot. And it has the cable where it connects. It's very good quality. Then we have the brushes that goes in front of the steamer to have a better result, and the container with water so you can refill with water. It comes with a warranty card and your manual instructions. Here you have it. We can see some of them. It's a very complete instructive manual. There you have all the specifications you need to know. It's very easy to use. So look, here you can make it function. You just twist it a little bit and it goes like this. Then you can put the brush on the front, and here you have the where you can store the water. Goes in the back. Make sure it's all fit in and you can already use it. Once connected and with water, it will be seen like this. So then a little example of how it works. It's very hard work for this iron. You can see the result. It's very easy to use. You just need to go around the cloth. As you can see, it's all good. So I recommend it a lot. See you guys.